In this video, I'll show you how to fix Walmart order cancellation. So if your order was cancelled and don't know why it was cancelled and what to do, you need to write this simple keyword in the Google search Walmart help page and open the first result, which is walmart.com/help. Right here, you need to look for your orders and you need to click on cancelled orders. So guys, sometimes Walmart cancel orders to save the time and money. If we cancel your order, we won't charge you. You may see temporary hold on credit or debit card account associated with a cancelled order. Your bank may have placed a temporary hold on the amount when your order was placed and will remove the temporary hold based on their policies and procedures. We can't remove the temporary hold. Please contact your bank with any questions regarding any temporary hold. So guys, refunds to a credit or debit card can take up to 7 business days. Here are most of the reasons why your order might be cancelled. So it exceeded our rules for quantity limits and bulk purchases. An item is out of stock. Our web page had price or other listing errors. Our credit and fraud audience department needs more information. A carrier or shipping method was unavailable. You were using an older browser or app version that is no longer supported by Walmart. So these are the main reasons why your order was cancelled. If it's still not helpful for you, you can scroll all the way down and click on chat with us. Then you need to log into your Walmart account and you will directly contact to the Walmart support. You need to explain your issue, that your order was cancelled and you are interested in why it was cancelled. They will assist you and help you, and if there is some kind of problem, they will restore your order, and if there is some kind of technical problem, they will help you and restore your order. That's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.